Hello dear students, today I am going to discuss with you all about the topic demography. The subject is social pharmacy. Now, what is the meaning of this word demography? In short, we can say that it is the study of human population. Now, you may have a question that when it's population, then it will be always a quantity? Exactly. It's a quantitative study of human population. Next, this is the course outline, that is, what are the topics that's included in this presentation. First is demography, the introduction about demography. Why do we need to know demography in social pharmacy? Second, the importance of demography, and third is a demographic cycle. Now, coming to the introduction of demography. Demography is a systematic and periodic study. Why systematic and periodic? Because the readings for the population is taken over a certain span of time so that the death rate and birth rate can be identified. Now, this word demography is defined from two words, that is demos, which means the people, and graphian, which means to describe, the description of the people. So basically we are going to study in demography the geographical distribution of human population, and definitely it is a quantitative study about men and women of all age groups. Now the question comes, how demography is important in social pharmacy or sociology? We have seen that knowing the demography, it includes the quantitative analysis based on the social, economic, political and many other aspects and strata of the society. And that helps us as a pharmacist to know more about human population, to know more about human understanding, and to provide a satisfactory help to the people as a pharmacist we can offer. That's why knowing demography of a place is very vital. Next is the importance of demography. The very first important point is we control the population growth. While if we recall about the COVID times, I think you all will remember that demographic population study was very high. Why? To see the death rate. It was considered as a pandemic disease. So demography is a very important factor. Second is the health status. If we know the demography, the health status is also very, very important. Third is to know about the nutritional supplement, to know about their medicines and other basic needs that we should provide to the population as pharmacists. That is our role, our duty. Fourth point, it also improves the literacy level, or you can say it improves the education level. In case of many small child, education is very, very vital. Why? Because they are the youth. They will take care of the future generations. So education is an important factor. And lastly, this demography is a very important and special field in sociology, social pharmacy and many other subjects, so that we could have a clear knowledge about the population, their needs, what are the things to be improved in the society. Last is the demographic cycle. So we have come across the 5 basic stages of demographic cycle. The first stage, that is high stationary or first phase. where the birth rate and death rate, there is no change, and there is no change in the size of the population. Second is early expanding or second phase, where the death rate declines and birth rate no change. So thereby we can say there is an increase in population. Third is the late expanding, that is third stage. It is characterized by the birth rate is declining, death rate also decrease. So there is again a continuous increase in population. Fourth stage, that is a low stationary phase, low birth rate and low death rate. As a result, there is a stability in population. And last is the declining phase, where birth rate is lower than death rate. So these are the various demographic cycles. So if we get a question about demography, we can very easily explain it based upon these 3 points. Thank you for listening to this video. Hope it's useful to all of you.